Go to the folder where you downloaded the geometry. It's a WebPZ file, and double click on it. It'll bring it up in Answers. And to look at the geometry, go to the geometry cell here and double click on it. And let's view along Y. And if I zoom in here using the right mouse button, I'll zoom in once more. And if I rotate it here, I can see my parts. And I can see them a little bit better if I turn off the transparent view. So I'll go to View and unselect Frozen Body Transparency. And I can see my 4 parts. So if I go here and I expand this, okay, 3 of the parts are suppressed. We can ignore that. And so we have the mid nozzle, the lower nozzle, bolt, and nut. Mid nozzle, lower nozzle, bolt, and nut. And there's a boundary value problem defined by 3D elasticity over each of these parts. So you have 4 boundary value problems, and these boundary value problems are coupled at the interfaces between these parts. And if I go up here and look at the tree, there's a symmetry object, and that is what is used to cut the model, and you're left with half a bolt. So the full model has 200 bolts, and you cut the model and you're left with half a bolt. And the symmetry planes are plane 7 and plane 8. And if I take a look at plane 8, I see that it's offset from plane 7 by that angle, which is essentially 180 degrees minus that angle, or 0.9 degrees. So what we have is a 0.9 degree slice through the model, and we are left with half a bolt. And we will suppress symmetry and take a look at the full model, but I don't want to mess with this geometry, which we'll use for analysis. So we'll create a copy of this and look at what happens if we suppress symmetry.